Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Basecamp and OneDrive with Zapier. All right. So first up, go ahead and create your free Zapier account. And once done, just click on create right here at the top left. Okay. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on Zaps. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and choose the trigger event. Okay. Click on it. And for your trigger event, you can go ahead and choose from one of the two. Okay. It would be OneDrive as your trigger or Basecamp. All right. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in Basecamp as my trigger event. Click on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and click on under account, sign in. All right. It will say sign in right here if it's your first time. Just sign into your Basecamp account. It's pretty easy. And then once that's done, click on trigger event. And maybe let's just go ahead and choose new message. All right. Click on it. And then once done, hit on continue. Select the account, project. Select from one of your projects. And then message board. Just select the default board. Okay. And once done, just hit on continue and just test the trigger. Wait for it to load. Now, once done, you now got a check mark. You can now go ahead and close this one. Check mark here. Now go ahead and choose an action event. Okay. In this case, I'm going to be using OneDrive. There you go. Just click on it. And again, select an account or sign in. Here I have my OneDrive account. It's already connected. So I'm going to go ahead and click on action event. Let's say create folder. Okay. You can go ahead and play around with these options. But just for this example, just for you to clearly understand, I'm just going to go ahead and click on create folder. Now it's selected, hit on continue, select the folder. Configuring right here is just for testing. All right. So maybe I'm just going to use scans or maybe attachment, folder name, add in maybe new from Basecamp. All right. Once that's done, hit on continue and test the step. All right. Everything got a check mark. Close this one. And the last thing that you need to do is just hit on publish. Now, once you hit on publish, everything right here will go online. You can close Zapier. And even if you sleep, everything right here will be automated. Okay. So whenever there's a new message from Basecamp, OneDrive right here will automatically create a folder, or Zapier will ask OneDrive to create a new folder for you. And that is it. Once that's done, let's say I'm going to go ahead and publish it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and create a new message from one of my projects, message board, new, just a sample, post this message. And OneDrive right here should create a project or a file. Under attachments, as you might remember, all right. Attachment folder, double click on attachment, and there you have it, new from Basecamp. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.